Hello guys, this is my first YouTube video. This YouTube video is based on loops. First, what is a loop? A loop statement allows us to execute a statement or group of statements multiple times. Now, in C and C++, the loops can be broadly divided into three: for loop, while loop, and do while loop. Now, let's see what is an for loop. An for loop is an entry control loop. First, it checks the condition. If the condition goes true, the body will be executed. Otherwise, the body will not be executed. Now, see the syntax of for loop. In for loop, initialization, test condition, incrementation or decrementation operation, then comes the body of the for loop. What is an initialization? In initialization, we declare a variable and we assign a value to it. Test condition. Here we define an test condition. If the test condition goes true, the body of the loop will be executed. Otherwise, it will exit from the loop. Now, incrementation or decrementation operation. After the body of the for loop executed, the flow of control jump up to the incrementation statement or decremented statements. And then it checks that its test condition again. If the test condition is goes wrong, it will not execute its body. If it goes right, then body will be executed. Now let's see an example of for loop. First we declare a variable sum and we assign value zeros to sum. For loop. Within the for loop, int count is equal to 1 and count less than 3 and count plus plus. Within the body of for loop, sum is equal to sum plus count and sum will be printed. Now, let's see how it will work. First, count value is 1 and test it condition, that is 1 is less than 3. Sum is equal to 0 plus 1. Sum is value is 1. Second, count plus plus, that is 1 plus 1, which is 2. 2 is less than 3. Sum is equal to 1 plus 3, which is sum is equal to 3. Now again count will be incremented by 1 and check its test condition, that is count, that is 3 is less than 3 or not. Then it found that 3 is not less than 3. So the body will be exit. So now the output is sum equal to 3. Now you guys are thinking, what is an while loop? And while loop is an entry control loop. First it will check its test condition. If the test condition is goes right, the body will be executed. Otherwise, it exits from the loop. Now let's see what is an syntax for while loop. While test condition body. Test condition. If the test condition is true, the body of the loop will be executed. If the test condition goes wrong, the body of the loop will not be executed. It exits from it. Now let's see an example for while loop. First we declare a variable count and assign a value 1 to the count, while count must be less than or equal to 2. Within the body of the while loop, count is printed and count is incremented by 1. Now let's see how it will work. First, count value is 1. Then it check its test condition, that is 1 is less than or equal to 2. Then it print value 1. Then the count will be incremented by 1. Now count is equal to 2. Secondly, check its test condition again, that is 2 is less than or equal to 2. Here the test condition is goes true, then its body will be executed against, that is print 2. Then count is again incremented by 1. Now the count value is 3. Then again check its text condition, that is 3 is greater than 3 is less than 2 or not. It's found that 3 is greater than 2. So it is exit from the loop. The output is 1 and 2. What is an do while loop? An do while loop is an exit control loop. Now let's see its syntax. Do body of the loop while text condition. Text condition. If the test condition goes true, the body will be executed. Otherwise, it exits from the loop. As I mentioned above, the do while loop as an exit control loop, no matter what the test condition is, whether the test condition is true or not, the body of the loop will be executed at least once. Then it checks its test condition. Then according to the test condition, the body will be executed or not. If the test condition is true, the body will be executed, other it will exit from the loop. Now let's see an example. Here also we declare a variable a and assign a value 10 to it. Within the do while loop body, we written value of a and a is equals to a plus 1 while a is less than 14. In its output will be 10, 11, 12 and 30. Its working is similar to the while loop. There is another exceptional case, that is the same example that I am taking here too. That is, we declare a variable a and assign a value 10 to it. Now within the body, value of a and print the value a and a is equals to a plus 1. But in the while statement, we can see that its test condition here is goes wrong. That is, a must be greater than or greater than 40, but here a is less than 40. But since the do while loop is exit control loop, its output will be print value of a as 10. Thank you for watching this video.